Azure SQL Database versus Azure SQL Managed Instance. Azure SQL Database and Azure SQL Managed Instance both are powerful services within Azure's data platform but serve different needs and scenarios. Azure SQL Managed Instance core strengths: near complete SQL Server compatibility, private net, easier lift and shift migrations. Use case scenario: an organization looking to migrate their on-premises SQL Server databases to the cloud without making substantial changes to their applications will find managed instance ideal. Azure SQL Database core strengths: high scalability, intelligent performance optimization, geo-distribution features. Use case scenario: ideal for modern cloud-based applications requiring elastic scaling. It's excellent for SaaS providers, e-commerce sites, and online gaming services that experience varying workloads. Key differences: 1. Service model: managed instance, fully managed SQL Server database engine, SQL database, a fully managed relational database service. 2. Compatibility: managed instance, near 100% compatibility with on-prem SQL Server, SQL database, designed for cloud-native applications. Some legacy SQL features might not be available. 3. Network isolation: managed instance, native net support, SQL database, public endpoint access but can be secured via net service endpoints and firewalls. 4. Scalability: managed instance, limited to the resources allocated at instance level. SQL database, high scalability with options like serverless and hyperscale. 5. Pricing: managed instance, priced at an instance level, more suited for stable workloads. SQL database, priced at a database level, more flexible and suited for varying workloads. 6. Backup and restore: managed instance, supports database backups similar to on-premises SQL Server, SQL database, automated backups, point-in-time restores. 7. Management tools: managed instance, SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, Azure Data Studio, SQL database, Azure Portal, SSMS, Azure Data Studio, but with some limitations. Summary: Azure SQL Managed Instance, suited for organizations migrating from on-premises SQL Server, offers near complete SQL Server compatibility and native net support. Azure SQL Database, ideal for cloud-native applications requiring high scalability and intelligent performance features. Key differences vary in terms of service model, compatibility, network isolation, scalability, pricing, backup options, and management tools. Use case scenarios: managed instance for lift and shift migrations, SQL database for modern, scalable applications. Thanks for watching.